Okay, guys. Sorry, my voice is kind of not wanting to work. Here's our picture we done, or a piece of wood. It was on just a piece of Dollar Tree wood that we done last night. This is the corner that I kept working on. I love how it turned out. We will come back and use this again later. But now I wanted to show you. Let me turn you down. This is the plastic that we done it on, and because I done it on plastic, then I can take this plastic, take my paint, and just pull it up. And if you find pieces, like we can cover something just small with this and put a magnet on it and use it as a refrigerator magnet or whatever, but you can do it. Here's a piece. Here's a piece that I already done. Already pulled up. Look at that. See, by doing it on this plastic, we're not losing this. We can use all of this to do some other little simple piece of art with this. Look at that one. See? Okay, I just wanted to show you that. Well, we've seen our finished product and seen what we can take and just utilize these runoffs. That's all white, but we can still take and use it. Like I can put this all up and keep it now and use it for something else. Thank y'all for watching. I did the actual craft of pouring the paint on Driftwood and Shine Daily. I meant to put it on Driftwood and Shine Art, but I will figure out how to get it shared over here. All right, thank you.